Alright, so today we will be working on the CBR. I'm going to connect the battery back in, and then I will replace the side mirrors here. Now I have new side mirrors that come with the LED turn signals. That way we can delete the turn signals we have over here, just to give the bike a little more sportier look. And you know, we're already in mid-March, so it's time to prepare the bike. Now I already did oil change and everything when I got the bike, so I don't have to do anything else other than just you know, replace the side mirrors, and that's it. So I'm just gonna make some room. I'm gonna take out the bike, put it somewhere in the middle, that way I have some space to work on it. Let's see how we're gonna do this. It's a little bit tricky right now. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to connect back the battery. Just because I'm going to need to do some testings to find out the power and ground to the side mirrors. So let's get the keys here. Let me put on some gloves. We're just going to take out the two screws so I can move the seat. That way I can connect the battery. Alright, so that's out. We're going to put that here. Have two bolts, and then I will connect the small battery over here. I'm not sure what this is. I found it down there. If you guys know, let me know in the comment section below. Alright, so I'm going to start at the bike, let it warm up a little bit. So what I want to do to this as well is delete this rail over here, just so it looks more sporty-ish at the back. I don't like how this is, so I'm going to find a way to delete it, probably just open it up and then find a way to put the blades and the turn signals. Alright, so what we're going to do right now is we have the new side mirrors here that I'm going to try installing. Now we're going to take out the old ones. Should be pretty straightforward. All the side markers, that's off. So this base over here is held by a nut at the back. It's a number 14 millimeter. Just undo the nut and then this should come off. That's out there, and that is the main one. That's the plate. So as for the wires that come out from the side of the mirror, we could either drill through the plastic and go behind, or you can just reroute it like that. You're gonna have a wire looking. I don't mind with that because I don't want to drill through anything. And I'm gonna do it like that. Go from the back, pull it through. So all we got to do at this point is test for ground and power, just to see which one is which. Now of course, by looking at the two colors, I can tell that the red is power and the green is ground. But just to be on the safe side, I'm still going to check it with the multimeter. I'm going to have the white connected to the green, which is ground, and I'm going to connect the red to red, which is power. As you can see, there's a left on both sides of the mirror, which is pretty nice. So I'm gonna get my solder kit and grab an extension over here. Alright, so it's on right now. I'm gonna let it heat a while. I'm gonna add a little bit of flux just to lower the melting point. That way it heats it up faster. And I'm gonna heat up the wire and just feed some solder into it. Once it dries up, just pull the wire a little bit, just to test that it's soldered good. Once we put that, you want to make sure you electrical tape it, just so it doesn't get exposed and touch each other and short something out. You don't want the positive and negative touching. And then I'm going to tape both wires together. So I'm going to zip tie the wire to a bundle that I see over there, just so the wires can be tidy together and won't be loose and fall down or get rubbed against something. So there we have it. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's pretty much tied. We're going to cut the excess and yeah, we're pretty much done with one side. We're going to do the same thing with the other side, and then I'll show you guys the end result of what it looks like. Alright, so there we have it. We got the signals on the mirror now. Flashes when you indicate. Same thing on the right side and the back as well. So that way we can delete the side indicators, and I will see you next time.